Hello, welcome again. This is Suri, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install a local host called Xampp. Now, if you're looking forward to get started with the PHP, then you need to install this local host Xampp. Now, as you can see on my browser, you need to click on this first link here. Then it will take you to this page. Now, you can see we have sizes of this Xampp for Windows. Now make sure you go for the latest version, and I recommend that you download this one. So in this case, I'm not going to download it because I already have it in my PC. Now after downloading it, just go straight to your local disk. It is somewhere here. Open it. You will see your Xampp is already installed inside here. Okay. Now open it. Open that folder. Then make sure you locate this file called htdocs. Okay. Now inside here is where you're going to create your folder. In this folder, you can give it a name, like I can say student photo, like that. Now after that, you need to go back, and down here you're going to see this one, Xampp control. It is here. Now click on it, then it will open up this like that. Now make sure you start Apache, MySQL, like that. Now from there, you need to open your editor. Now I'm going to open my Visual Studio Code editor. Then go to File, open folder, right? Then pick your folder. This one was student portal. Select it like that. Yes, it has selected it. It's already selected. Now here you're going to create, you click on this icon to create the first file. You say index.php. Okay. Now let me do something here. Now when you come in body tag down here, then let's write something. Then have a heading here, and you can say something. Welcome to PHP. Okay, like that. Now we need to check this program on our browser. What we need to do is come to your browser like this, then click on this next tab here, then look for, just type this local hosts /, then after /, you need to name the name of the folder you created in your htdoc, and that was a student photo. So I need to make sure that they confirm that was the name here. This is the name. Need to use it, student photo. So I'm going to copy this name because I need to type it there. Now you paste it right away after typing local hosts. Paste it there. Then click here. Then it will open up. Hello. Like here I say, welcome to PHP. Guys, this is how to get started with PHP. I'm going to do more contents on this one.